What is going on, guys? Today's video we have a YSJ RGBIC corner floor lamp. This retails for about $60 to $70 on Amazon. I'll throw a link in the description if you decide to purchase. This is the black and silver version that they sent over for me to review. Now this has a lot of information within this product, so make sure you stick to the whole video so you know if you want to buy it or not. So this is very inexpensive compared to other products and brands out there. It's very similar to the Govee glides. This has a really good build quality with a aluminum and a plastic diffusion for your channeling raceways. They are heat dissipated and they are your certified power supplies for about 5 volts, so low voltage on this. You have a really good custom remote, and it has a lot of modes on here that you can go ahead and preset, or you can use the app itself. It also has some accessories here for your stabilization, for just locking them all into place, which is really nice. We have an Allen wrench. Has a really nice tight secure little area as well. All this for a low price is about 70 bucks. Is it worth it? Let's check it out. All right, so this is the setup process. You can hook up to 3 of them all at once. I'm going to do all 3, but you could do 2, 1. You can put it on your desktop or whatever you want to do. It has support brackets, which I highly recommend putting those in, and that's what I did. I also took off some of the tape, cleaned it down, just so it looks a little nicer when it's in the corner. You can have this exposed LEDs, or you can have it in the corner like I'll show you right now. I prefer showing it because it just looks better, my opinion, but you can do whatever. And this is the setup process for just plugging in and doing everything else like that. Yeah, many different colors available on the remote, which is really helpful and useful for just overall performance and just looks and quick access. That's what I like about this. It's really easy and it looks super good. I'd personally buy even more just for lighting because this is so good. And as you can see in the corner, it's at 100% brightness. In the corner, it's really bright, brighter than most of my other Govee LEDs, which are known to be really bright and colorful. This is equal or even better to that, which is insane that it's that good. Now the nice thing about having this type of lighting is that it's multi-use. You can use it for, home office, photography, videography, many different things for a very budget option, and it looks good. So the diffusion on here is good. It looks good on camera. It's able to help blend with different colors. As you can see, I have a video clip here of me with my red and purple, as well as another light, and it makes a nice little transition. But I'm gonna get to the app here. So it's called Cozy Life. I have a black and a silver model. I'm gonna be showcasing the silver model here, but they're essentially the same thing. I love both of the colors. Personally, the silver kind of grew on me. So if we go in here, we have silver, so you can do segments. So if I wanted to half of that red, 2 of those red, some of those blue, then I could do that. Very seamless. All right, so we have multiple scenes here. We have DIY scenes, which you can make up to your own, or you have the default scenes that are preset. So right here we have flame effect, which looks really nice, a lightning effect, or running, basically just a lot of patterns here. Fireworks, you can make your own, or you can just change the colors of certain ones. You can do many different things. You have a rainbow chase here, really nice, so it does have rainbow chase in it as well. On camera, the shutter speed is different, so that's why it's flickering, but it's really smooth in person. Meteor, this one also is really smooth. It just runs up, it's really nice. Sky, so it just has little flickers of stars to imitate that as well. Swing, changes colors, just like fades up and down, really cool. Flow color, which is essentially the same thing but going up and changing colors. Jump, which is gonna jump through colors. Breathe, breathing through different colors. Horse, which is gonna basically just go up, kind of like another color chase. Recursive, kind of like a lightsaber thing when it goes up and then changes colors and goes down to a different color. I like this one a lot. Climb, colorful. I don't like that one as well. But yeah, you can do all of that. You can make your own scene. You have different scenes here. Brightness here, so it's at 100% now. The entire time is at 50, and that's what I like to keep it at for video. Yeah, that's that. You also have music mode here, so you can choose the device mic, or you can do the microphone on your phone as well. Boom. Soft, you can change the microphone sensitivity on the bottom here. You have sport, so it'll do different music modes. You have disco here as well. So it's boom. And then I like to keep it on soft. It's like a jumping up meter. I like that one a lot, and I keep it on device mic rather than the phone mic. But you can do that as well. There's more here apparently. So you have calibration, set number, count time. And then also you have your remote like I showed you before, which has your basic colors. You have your modes up and down, so you can cycle through those with the different colors, modes, and everything like that. Really nice. You have all the colors here, so you can do that. You have 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour timer, lock and unlock, which I seem to see that it doesn't really work as well. I don't know if that's because I have two, but yeah. And since this is an RF remote, if you do have two, it'll change the color for both of them. So if you want to change one to one color and one to the other, you have to either be really close up and point it away, or you can just do it in the app. That's the only downside. If you buy multiple of these, you turn it on and off like click of a button. It's really cool. So that's that. I really do love this. Like I said, it's good for videography, photography, many different things is available, gaming, anything like that. If you want to make your setup look even better, you put this at the corner. It's movable, so you don't have to have it stationary in one area. You can move it to another area, move it to another area if you want multiple lighting scenes within your B-roll or anything like that. Or if you just have multiple setups where you tend to move a lot or do anything else like that, you don't have to stick with different adhesive, breaking the wall or do anything else like that with the adhesive strips or mounting with screws and stuff like that. It's portable. I love that part. And then the power brick isn't big, so it's really cool. Thank you guys for watching. Link in the description to buy. Once again, this is one of the high-end models. It basically can do most of the stuff that high-end models can do. Like as you can see, the Nanoleaf on the left side, it's really on par with that. The lining is really, really amazing. I use this all the time for B-rolls, and I just use it all the time in general, even when I'm not recording. I love this. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.